Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can edit background in Snapseed. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, of course, we have to open our Snapseed application and you can choose a photo you want to edit the background. You can tap anywhere to open a photo. I'm going to click on this plus button and then for example, I'm going to edit the background of this photo. So I'm going to click on it and then we can go to the tools section. Then just click the double exposure. We're going to use this feature to edit the background of our photo. Alright, and click on this image icon and you can choose the background that you want to apply to your photo. For example, I'm going to replace this photo's background with this one, guys. Okay, then you can click on this icon to increase the opacity until maximum like this and click on the check mark and we can click on this icon on the top, then select the view edits. Okay, and select double exposure and then select this brush and you have to click on this icon. Okay, and we just need to draw on the background like this. Okay, just like so. And as you can see guys, that the background of my photo has been changed. Okay, and we just need to go back, and once you're ready to save this photo to your device, you can click on export. Alright guys, then that's all the way to edit background in Snapseed application. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.